So you're trying to run Android apps on your PC, but don't want to deal with those heavy emulators like BlueStacks that slow everything down, crash unexpectedly, or freeze for no reason. Well, I've discovered a method that gives you full access to the Google Play Store without installing any emulator at all. That means you can install apps, play Android games, and even scroll through social media just like you would on your phone. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump straight into the video. First, type Windows feature in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Scroll down and enable Windows Hypervisor Platform and Virtual Machine Platform. Click OK. Wait for the process to complete. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Now, open your web browser and search for Windows Subsystem for Android on GitHub. Click on the first link. Click on this WESA Builds hyperlink. Scroll down. Select the correct file for your device type and Windows version. I will download the stable build for my Windows 11 64-bit. Click on the link. You will be redirected to this download page. Scroll down. Under the Asset section, click on the first link to download the Windows Subsystem for Android. Your file will be downloaded. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, locate the file by clicking on the folder icon. Extract the zip file with WinRAR. Wait for the extraction process to complete. Copy the extracted file and paste it into the Documents folder. Rename the folder as WSA. Double-click to open the folder. Double-click again to open it further. Scroll down. Right-click on the run.bat file and select Run as Administrator. If you encounter a security pop-up like this, just click on More Info, then click on Run Anyway. Wait for the installation process to complete. If you get this pop-up, just check the box and click on Continue. Now in the Windows search bar, type Windows Subsystem. Open it. Go to Advanced Settings. Enable Developer Mode. If you get a pop-up like this, click Allow. Click on the down arrow next to Window Focus and select Independent. Click on the down arrow next to Experimental Features. Enable Share User Folders. Close it. In the Windows search bar, type Play Store. Open it. Click Sign In. Log in with your Gmail credentials. Search for the app that you want to run. Click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Click Open. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Now you can use your favorite mobile apps on your computer.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.